So let's start our study of bar graphs. So a bar graph is a really good way of showing the relative sizes of data. It's really easy to look at this graph down here and say, all right, the most popular cereal is Life Brand. It's the highest bar, reaches the biggest value of 6. Bar graphs are a good way when your data is in categories. Distinct categories. So Corn Flakes, Cheerios, and Kix are 3 categories of cereal. All bar graphs should have a title and labeled axes. And make sure you include units if needed on your axes. It also should have axes that are evenly spaced. So the jumps on the vertical axis should be the same. That goes up by 1, that goes up by 1, and that should be consistent all the way up the axis. Also, the width of each bar should be the same. Evenly spaced and same width on the bars. And what makes it different from a histogram, which is something that you'll learn a little later on, is that there should be spaces between the categories. So there's a little gap there. That's good practice to have that spacing. In the bar graph that we had shown previously with the Corn Flakes, that was a vertical bar graph because the bars went in this direction. We can also have them go horizontally. And that's really just a matter of what you prefer, what you think looks good. So bars can also have more than one group. So here in this example, each province is listed. It's a horizontal bar graph because the bar graphs are horizontally. And you notice, for example, if we take a look at Nunavut, Nunavut has 2 bars associated with it. The dark blue one, which is people aged 65 and older, and the light blue one, which is aged 14 and younger. So when we used colors to indicate different groups within the same category. This one is called a double bar graph. So they can also add more information by comparing more than one group in each category. And in the last example, we had the double bars to do that. Here, they've color-coded every single bar using different colors with this index right here. So they've divided the bar up into many pieces, and each piece has a meaning. So for example, in this one, the green refers to how much food costs in Canadian dollars if you visit the UK.